Did you ever think you'd made a connection, but hadn't? Be confident in your connections with Amphenol Industrial's 2642 Series 1 connectors. A part of Amphenol Industrial's PT family, these miniature cylindrical connectors feature 1/4 turn mating and are rated for over 500 mating cycles with the proper contact plating. A resilient neoprene insert provides both excellent moisture sealing and electrical isolation, allowing these versatile plugs to be used for both power or signal applications in a variety of environments. To learn more or purchase this part, click the link in the description below.